Hello friends, welcome to my channel, my name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the description, and we start our trading. Thank you for picking my video, guys. I promise I am not gonna let you down. Hope that I will learn something new from my trading and probably highlight some trading futures. And let's finally start, guys. We are gonna open $500 trades. Let's set the currency pairs right away that have the highest payout. I'm gonna open position according to trend direction and consequently well select trade indicators. It's gonna be the alligator. By using this indicator, it's really handy to open position according to the trend, not when there is a flat. And now I'm gonna show and explain to you the example of opening. Let's see if there is dynamics on the currency pairs. It would be better to see less flat situations, so I already see good sharp movement on the charts. And I guess well, keep these currency pairs, so we're not gonna drag this out and find the most promising trend entry and find the best currency pair for us. So I guess we need to open a short position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. We are gonna open position considering the pullbacks. Early on we saw the ascending direction here, then the resistance zone played out, the price started going down, and now we take a look at the zone in more detail. We see then that the indicators moving average are facing downwards, also the support zone played out. And in the first case, we see this little correction after which the price goes down. And the second one, we see the small correction or pullback, and then the price movement should go down, flowing to the downtrend. That's why we open the short position here. I think we'll see the breakdown right at the end, and then the position will be closed with a profit. And the first one is in profit, guys. Like I said, good trade entry, good timing. We played out on the pullback. Basically, this trade entry is successful, and I hope our future trades are gonna be the same. We are not gonna slow down here and find the next currency pair. For the most promising trend entry, we are looking for the good payout percent. And I guess we also open a short position here, selection the workspace. Definitely good dynamics on the market. We see that the indicators jaws are opened and the price movement goes to the downside. And then we take a look at the following zone. We see a small correction here, and after this correction the price should continue moving down, following the downtrend. Again, we've chosen the pullback movement. The correction is over, that's why we open a short position. We already see the candle breaking down, a good timing of trade opening. The resistance zone played out, and I think the movement should also be to the downside. There is 10 seconds left before the closing, and our trade ends up in profit, guys. So, and like I said, our position ended up with 0. But it's okay, guys. We saw strong dynamics from the last candle and we end up with 0, but it's fine. Sometimes it happens. This is trading and we cannot escape losses all the time, but in our case, we didn't lose anything and there is no stopping here. Let's move on, guys. and find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open a long position here. We see strong ascending dynamics here. We select the workspace. All the moving average of the indicators are facing upwards. The alligator jaws is widely opened. After this correction, we have the strong ascending dynamics. Despite candles low volatility, we see the good movement. That's why right after the pullback we open the long position according to the uptrend. While using these indicators, keep in mind you should always open position according to the trend, because the alligators is the trend indicators. Keep this in mind and never forget, guys. Good level of our position, there is literally several seconds left before the trade end. And our position has been closed with a profit, guys. Another 100% signal played out perfectly. I think you already understood the principle of work with the strategy. The strategy is not really complicated, even beginners in trading can easily handle it, and we are not gonna slow down here and select the next currency pair. So let's continue our trading and open a short position here. I will explain the principle of trade entry. Not that we open considering the trend. Here is the sideways movement prevails. We see the flat, but it's okay. Basically, we observe the downtrend here. We see a little flat here. I assume that this is some kind of correction here, an accumulation stage, and eventually the breakdown should happen, because previously we saw the correction from the green candle, and I think the price should go down. That's why we open a short position. There is 15 seconds left before the climax. The breakdown has already happened. We see the good level, and I guess this position should end up in profit. And like I said, guys, the position closed with the profit. Again, we open according to the trend after the correction, and again we can see the result by yourself, guys. The result is plain to see. We started with almost 1,500, but now we got 3,000 on our balance, and there is no stopping here. Find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Looking for the good payout rate and look for the pullback, guys. So the price break throw here, open a long position. A little bit different principle of trade entry. We see that the crossing of the indicators, moving average did happen, and it tells us that there is gonna be a strong uptrend. Early on we saw the correction, then the update of local bottom points in the zones. I will point them out for you. And after this, the price should also go up. That's why we open the long position according to the trend direction. The principle of trade entry is a little bit different, like I said, but the result you see by yourself. There is nothing to worry about so far, and I guess we would see the breakdown on the last second and the position would be closed with a profit. Like I said, the position is in profit again. As you see, there is a pattern for the opening such trades, quite successful. It was a little tensely, the position has been closed almost at the level opening. But further you see the breakdown, I didn't come up with anything, the breakdown did happen anyway, and the position is in a profit, so we are not gonna slow down here. We open a couple of trades in order to solidify the result if you didn't get anything, and for this we changing the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So we are looking for the good payout rate. Here is the flat so far. What do we got have on this currency pair? Let's open a short position here. Selection the workspace. Early on we observe the strong ascending dynamics, then the trend reversal takes place. The price goes down. Let's take a look at this zone in more detail. Here the sideways movement, definitely a flat prevails, but we see small descending dynamics, low candle volatility, we see the small pullback, after which the price should go down. We also see the reversal of the moving coverage to the downside. That's why we open the short position, and we already see the breakdown at a good level of opening. And as we see low volatility here, I guess even if the green candle shows up like now, it couldn't reach the level of our trade entry, and our position ends up with a profit again. Let's continue our trading session and open our final trade and then withdraw the money, I suppose. Let's find another currency pair. So let's carry on our analysis. I like this currency pair, and I guess I should open a short position here. I will explain the principle trading for you guys. Despite our moving average reversing to the upside, but I guess here the resistance zone should play out. The update of the local maximum did happen, and hence the price movement should to go the downside at least to the support level. Now the flat situation prevails and the support zone doing great. The local minimum doesn't update and the price should go down. We played in advance here, and there is 15 seconds left before the closing. And on the last second, I guess we are likely to see the breakdown, and the position would end up in profit. So guys, our final trade is in a profit. We got 4,200 on our balance. Great result considering the fact that we started with $1,500. Oh, and let's finally move to the withdrawal. We are gonna withdraw to my Bitcoin wallet. Let's withdraw 3,200 to keep the exact amount on the balance. Press the continue button. That's it. Our transaction is processing, and I guess I will touch the screen with a successful withdrawal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, and to go my closed Telegram channel. We will trade and earn together.